Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start our today's lesson. Students, open page number 33. Today we will revise the work page of lesson 4 unit 1. So let's start. Question A is write the following names in the correct places on the map. Use an atlas to help you. So here you can see some of the names are given and we have to write down these names on the correct places on the map of Pakistan. So let's start. Let's first read the names. The first one is Godwin Austen, K2, Islamabad, River Indus, Khyber Pass, Quetta, Khojak Pass, Karakoram Mountains, Hindu Kush, Karakoram Pass. Let's label the map. We will start from the north. In the north, along the border of Pakistan and China, this is the location of Godwin Austen, commonly known as K2, the second highest peak of the world. Below it is the location of Karakoram Mountain. Here, this is the location of Karakoram Pass. Karakoram Pass connects Pakistan with China. Here, in the northwest, this is the location of Hindu Kush Mountains. This is the location of Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. In the west, this is the location of Khyber Pass. Khyber Pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan. Here, this is the location of River Indus. River Indus is the largest river of Pakistan. While in the west, this is the location of Khojak Pass. Below it is the location of Quetta, which is the provincial capital of Balochistan. Question B is, look up these words in dictionary and write down their meanings. Here you can see some of the words are given and we have to write down their meanings. So let's start. Here the first one is glacier, a slowly moving mass of ice formed by snow falling. So what is a glacier? A glacier is a slowly moving mass of ice that is formed by snow falling. In simple, we can say that a glacier is the river of ice. There are many glaciers in Pakistan like Haspar, Biafu and so on. Let me show you the picture of a glacier. This is the picture of a glacier and you can see that on very high mountains the snow accumulate and form the glaciers. Next one is pass, a route through a mountain range. So what is a pass? A pass is a route through a mountain range. There are many passes in Pakistan like the Khyber Pass, Khanjarab Pass and so on. Passes connect different countries or cities. Like the Khyber Pass of Pakistan connect Pakistan with Afghanistan. Let me show you the picture of a pass. This is the picture of a Khyber Pass and you can see that there is a route through a mountain range. Next one is valley, lowland area between mountains or hills. So what is a valley? A valley is lowland area that is between mountains or hills. There are many valleys in Pakistan like Hunza, Murree and so on. Let me show you the picture of a valley. This is the picture of a valley and you can see here the land is surrounded by mountains. Next one is plateau, an area of land high above sea level. So what is a plateau? It is an area of land that is well above the sea level. There are two plateaus in Pakistan, Potohar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau. Let me show you the picture of a plateau. This is the picture of a plateau and you can see that a plateau is flat and also well above the sea level. Next one is delta, the mouth of a river. So a delta is the mouth of a river. Let me show you the diagram of a delta. This is the picture of a delta. So when a river falls into a sea, then it divides itself into smaller rivers, and this land between the rivers is called the delta. Next one is basin, a depression or dip on Earth's surface is called the basin. Let me explain this through a diagram. This is the picture of a basin. It is a portion of land that consisted of river and its tributaries. The province of Punjab is a basin. Next one is tributary, a river or stream flowing into larger river. So what is a tributary? It is a river that flows into a larger river. There are many tributaries of river Indus. Like you can see here, these are the eastern tributaries of river Indus. For example, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, these are the eastern tributaries of river Indus, while these are the western tributaries of river Indus. Next one is gorge, a steep narrow valley with stream passing through it. So what is a gorge? It is a steep narrow valley with stream that is passing through it. Let me explain this through a diagram. This is the picture of a gorge, and you can see that this is a narrow valley between the mountains with a stream flowing through it. Moving towards the next question. Question C is, use the map on page 31 to label the rivers on the map below. So here, as you can see, the map of Pakistan is given, and we have to label the rivers of Pakistan. Let's start from the east. In the east, the first river is River Jhelum. It is originating from the Jammu and Kashmir. Next one is the River Chenab. It is also originating from Jammu and Kashmir. Below it is the River Ravi. Next one is River Satluj. This is River Indus. River Indus is the largest river of Pakistan. It is originating from the north and it is ending in the south when it falls in the Arabian Sea. Now let's see the rivers found in the west of Pakistan. In the west, the first river is River Swat. Below it is the River Kabul. It is originating from the Afghanistan. Below it is the River Gomal. Now let's see the rivers found in the south of Pakistan. This is River Porali and this is River Dasht. Moving towards the next question. Question D is, there are some important lakes in Pakistan. Find out their names and location. One example is given below. So what is a lake? A lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. There are many lakes in Pakistan. And here in this question we have to write down the names of important lakes of Pakistan. And we will also tell its location. One example is already given. So here in this column we will write down the names of the lakes found in Pakistan. And in this column we will write down the location where these lakes found in Pakistan. So let's start. Here the first example is Lake Saiful Muluk. It is located in Kagan. Next one is Lake Manchar. It is located in Sindh. Next is Satpara. It is located in Skardu Valley, Gilgit. Next example is Lulusar. It is located in Nara.